In this session, we will learn how to plot Iceberg chart in Excel. Let us say, we are plotting sales against target sales for a year, and if actual sales exceed target sales, we want to highlight the actual sales like tip of the iceberg as shown here. Let's learn how to do that. First two columns of data represent month and actual sales. And let's say target sales is $2,500. And the last column is the iceberg tip. That is when actual sales exceed the target. And here we are using if function to capture when actual sales exceed target sales. Equals to, if actual sales greater than target sales, give me actual sales number. And when actual sales is less than target I don't need anything, that is in false, we don't need any number, so we can leave this parameter and it will be treated as blank, but the problem with blank is that they appear as 0, and 0 gets plotted on the chart, and we don't want to show them, so instead of 0 or blank we use NA, function which gives #NA, instead of 0, and Excel ignore #NA, while plotting on the chart. Now autofill the formula for all the rows, by double-click at the bottom right of first cell with formula. So now our data is ready to plot the chart. Select the data, go to Insert tab, and plot the area chart. And adjust the size of the chart. Now first we need to convert the iceberg tip series to XY scatter chart. Select the iceberg tip series and right-click and change chart type. And change the iceberg tip to XY scatter chart. And uncheck the secondary axis and click OK. Now change the color of iceberg tip, select the iceberg tip, go to Format tab. And fill color and select the color. And no outline. Also change the color of actual sales, select the actual sales to this blue color. And finally select the target. And change the target to light color. Now select the target and right-click. And go to Format Data Series and Underfill. Choose Gradient and make sure transparency to around 40%. Select the grid lines. And press Delete to remove them. And you can give chart title. Click on Chart Title and go to Formula Bar. Type equals to, and select the cell containing the chart title and press Enter key. You can also show values of iceberg tip. Select the iceberg tip and right-click. And add data label. And you can move the data label to top, select the data label, right-click. Format data label and choose the label position above. And done. We will learn more on Advanced Excel. See you in my next video.